So what we're going to do is show you how to put your hair half up and half down. Okay. So what you're going to do is take your thumbs and go about an inch behind your hairline and start right there. Drop down a little bit and then straight back. Good. And then you're going to just twist that and clip it up on the top.
Thank you.
Now I know it sounds kind of weird. What I want you to do is take the rest of it, pull it back, and just clip it, twist it a little bit and clip it so it's out of your way while you do the top. All right, so now you're going to drop the clip and drop that section down. Good, and then you're going to take a section that's about an inch in front of the back of that parting, and you're going to comb down at the roots and just put a little bit of back combing in there. That's good. Okay, flip that back, next section. Good. Okay. Yep. Get all the way down in there. So put the comb in a little bit higher, and that way you'll catch some of that hair. Good. Cool. Now flip it back. Excellent. So what you're going to do is take your hand and bring it around the back, and then you're going to just go ahead and put it even back here a little bit. Lift up, put a little spray. Good. Now go in the front of that, lift that up, and stay like pretty far away. Just do a shh. And then go ahead and give it a little something something on the top. So you get, and push it up like this, and get your fingers right in there. Good. Okay, so what you're gonna do now is go ahead and bring your hands back to here, and you're gonna take a small section and then start to twist it, almost like you're gonna twirl it around a few times, and then you're gonna push it flat against your head and push it up towards the ceiling. Good. And that's going to give you volume there. Now I'm going to hand you a big bobby pin, so you're going to push the pin in straight into your head this way. So I know it's hard because you can't see what I'm doing, but straight in and then back up into it. So what you're going to do now is take and just run your fingers through your hair like this, bring it back, and then up a little bit. So you're going to bring it back like this, almost like you're going to put it in a ponytail right over what you just did. So go ahead and bring it back. Good. And stay right there and hold on to that. And bring it over the top and put it in a ponytail. Good. Now go ahead and put it in a ponytail right there. Here's your elastic. And instead of pulling it all the way through, you're going to pull it half of the way through on your second round. There you go. So one more round, wrap it around, pull it through, and just part of the way. That's perfect. Right there. Okay, so that's going to give you a little knot. Now you can take where the knot is and just pull it apart a little bit. So what you're going to do now is just take small pieces at a time and just pull them down lightly. So little tiny ones right at the front. Yeah. Now do a little one right behind it. A little bit more, a little bit more. So it starts to look like it's falling apart a little bit, and then you can take these and just pull on them a little bit. Yeah. So now what you're gonna do is just take your fingers like this and just pull on that where it's there, and just take bits out. Yep, and pull it up here on the top, right in this area. Good, perfect. And that just fills it in a little bit. All right, so now you're going to use some strengthening control spray again. Just lightly lift up right around here. Get a little air under there. Stay far away, even further away. There you go. Let it drop. Okay, a little in the back. Stay even further away than that. Yes, perfect. Lift that up. Now spray from the front this way, and then let it drop. Good. That just gives you a little more polish, a little more finish. All right, so you did a beautiful job. Yeah. Let's just take a look from the side. You get a nice profile, you get some volume, it's a little more dressed up, but it still has that feeling of being down. You know, you still feel like yourself. Good job.
Yeah.